money, bro.
Alright, y'all, so I'm here in my auntie's garage, and I'm about to start bringing in parts for the RM125, the parts on the truck back there. I always choose to build engines in her garage because it's a lot more cleaner. It's a more controlled environment. I won't have to worry about getting dirt into the engine and not knowing. And plus my uncle has a lot more tools than I do. So if I ever need a special tool that I don't have, he usually has it. But I'm gonna build the bike. Well, I'm gonna post videos in increments. Starting with the wheels, the wheel building with the bearings and the wheel lacing and truing. Well, lacing, I'll true it after I have the rolling chassis put together, have the forks and stuff. But I'm about to start cleaning right now, all of the parts, and I'll start getting out videos. Peace. So I got everything set up the way I want to, and I'm about to start cleaning. Check out what I got. This table right here will be all engine parts and engine assembly, and this table will be tools. I ordered a Tuss bike stand. That'll be coming too for when I start assembling. But first I gotta wait for the bearings to come. They should be here Tuesday. Today is Sunday. Yeah, about to start cleaning. Alright, now I done got down to the tank and I done cleaned it, but the plastic on the tank is kind of dark and faded, kind of. I'm about to try a method that I seen from another YouTuber. He basically uses a razor blade and scratches the top layer of plastic off to get to the brighter layer under there. I don't think you're gonna be able to see it well on the camera, but I'm gonna try that method and clean this tank up and get the plastic a little brighter. That's what that side looked like before I cleaned it. But yeah, I'll hit you guys when I'm finished with that. Alright guys, maybe this will give a better representation of what I'm trying to do here. This top part right here, this is the part that I already went through with the razor, with the straight razor, and I basically shaved the top layer of plastic off. And you can see the difference from here to here. Now this has already been cleaned. This is as clean as it's gonna get. You can't wipe that off. That's the difference. Now this part is still kind of faded a little, barely, but you can see it. But it looks 10 times better than this shit right here. Later on I'm gonna take a heat gun to it and smooth it out and make it kind of shiny. But yeah, I just wanted to let you see the difference. Alright guys, I've been out here all day basically. I don't even know what time it is. But as long as I've been out here, these are the only parts that I that I actually got to clean. It took me probably about 30 minutes to set up in the garage, but this is what I have cleaned so far. I just got the gas tank, the air box, the radiator shrouds and triple clamps. Got all that clean today. I'm about to clean all this stuff up and head to the house. I'm pretty tired, but today is Sunday. The parts are expected to be in Tuesday. The bearings and all of the stuff from Rocky Mountain ATV, and the engine parts are expected to be here Wednesday. I actually won't start on the motor until I'm done with everything from the frame and chassis and suspension and stuff. Once I have a rolling chassis, then I'll start on the motor. I also made another order yesterday actually, last night, and I'll insert that video here somewhere. But yeah, you're looking at what I have. Hopefully I won't encounter any hiccups with the assembly. If not, I'll probably be done Friday at the latest. Hopefully Thursday though. I get the motor Wednesday. It'll probably take me a day or two to assemble the motor. But yeah. Alright guys, I wanted to update you on the parts orders. This bottom one is the first parts order that I made, and it's scheduled for a Tuesday delivery, November the 8th, but it's in Olive Branch, Mississippi. I live in Bassville, Mississippi. It's not that far. Normally, once the packages reach Olive Branch, Mississippi, they arrive either the same day or the next day. And since it's Sunday, I know it can't come today, but um, I think these will be here in the morning, Sunday or Monday. I'm sorry. And yeah, so that I may get this stuff early. These are all the bearings. These are really all the necessary parts that I need to really get rolling. And the other two orders that I made, they were small stuff. I ordered a rear fender. I also ordered a rear black side panel for the RM. I ordered that off eBay. They don't have black side panels on Rocky Mountain ATV for some reason. But I also ordered a bike stand, the aluminum throttle tube from Tusk with the bearing. I'm excited to try that out. And some rim spacers, some rim lock spacers. But yeah.